Hello guys, I am too excited about this video because this is the most awaited video for dydx token airdrop. So you can get for free 350 dydx tokens for free in dydx airdrop. And so first of all we have to know what is dydx. Dydx are building on the open platform for advanced crypto financial product. Powered by the Ethereum blockchain, they are building a powerful and professional exchange for trading crypto assets where user can trust on their trades, eventually and exchange itself. DYDR, DYDX is airdropping their new governance token DYDX. So a total of 75 million dydx has been allotted to eligible users for who are ready to claim their airdrop as a free. So how can you claim the dydx airdrop for free? Step by step guide I am giving in this video, so please watch the video full. So first of all you have to visit the dydx reward page. I am giving the link on the description about dydx reward page directly, so you can go on them and then connect your ETH wallet. If you are eligible, then you will see your reward under allocation. Users who have traded on dydx protocol are layer 2 layer 1 and deposit their funds into dydx, so their snapshot times are eligible for the airdrops. Eligible users need to achieve certain trading milestone as mentioned in this post on the layer 2 purchase within the 28 days of deposit 0 to unlock the rewards. So you have to be just go on the dydx reward page, connect your ETH wallet and you will get the tokens for free. And here's the link on the claim now button, so you can get the dydx directly claim page and you will just connect your ETH wallet and claim the token. So the price pool is 350 dydx tokens. Winners is unlimited. That's mean there is no certain number of winners. If you participated their transaction, their test net, their layer 2 layer 1, then you will be eligible for the reject. Deadline is not allowance, so that's when they are not allowed. They allow the deadline for this airdrop, so go fast and claim this airdrop for free. And as you know, this is not a financial advice. You have to be researched before depositing or investing their funds in this crypto world. So this is the video for the how can you claim the dydx airdrops for free. Hope you understand the video, and if you like the video, just subscribe the channel for free because we are giving the free airdrop updates every day. And just we will meet on the next airdrop update. Have a good day. Bye bye.